Welcome one and all to another venture of Fat Man at the Forge. Obviously my forge has seen better days. But there really isn't a knife or sword project today. And that is because I decided for probably this week and next week kind of iffy, I am going to be upgrading some of the tools in the workshop. Now, nothing fancy like going out and spending money on new tools, but if I bring you guys over here and I adjust, now this angle grind, or not angle grinder, but this belt sander, it's gotten a lot of use on this channel, but it's coming to the point where my little table isn't working and I don't really like the space. It's just small. I've got big hands, like my hands, so I'm kind of tired. And then there's this little groove, which I get why it's needed, but I'm dragging a lot of the blade down. So what we're going to do is today you can kind of see the metal that I have right here and the wood post I have right there. And what we're actually going to do is make a little table for this little thin piece, which I have plenty of. So with that, I should now be able to, once I screw in some holes, which I'll do that in other videos, because this won't move and it gives me more workspace to slide. So if you enjoyed watching this, like I said, there will be a second video where I will actually be making a knife bevel. Or for everything I do, a sword bevel, which is why I wanted this. So it gives me more control. And since I'll have the knife bevel, I'll be able to actually just slide it